This is a little comparison of the two Costco Gourmet air fryers. Right over here is the first one they sold. It's the 5-quart. It was originally 50 bucks and then it went up to 70, I believe. Then this is the newest one. It's the 6-quart stainless steel one that is regularly 70, I believe, also, but it's on sale for $55 right now, February of 2019. Gonna be making, there's some chicken tenders, mini chicken tacos, and chicken rollers. About equal amount for both. Gonna set both to 350 for about 15 minutes and see which one cooks them better. Guys. Here they are with the baskets out. As you can tell, this one's square and this one's round. This one's round, like I said, and it's also deeper, so even though it's only a quart smaller than this one has a lot more usable space. Seems like, at least. Here they are, both loaded up. This one actually has less in it than this one does, just because of the shape. You can tell that's a lot better use of space. Alright, I got them both set to 330 and a timer of 15 minutes. Let's go. That one's going. Comes this one. Alright, so a little update. They're both at the 8-minute mark, or 8 minutes left. Might be getting close to done. Oh yeah, look at that. Give it like another minute or two. Now let's try this one. This one's looking pretty good too. I'd say those are a little further along though. So again, this machine may be a little more powerful. And the last update with 4 minutes remaining. 3 minutes on that one. Probably good to go. Yeah, it's looking pretty done. Let me go ahead and pull them. Check this one first. Time to pull them. Alright, they're done. As you can hear. This one looks like they're actually not as crisped as the ones over here, but at the same time it looks like these are cooked a little more even. We had the Philips air fryer before getting this guy, and it was basically the same idea. This was more powerful but didn't cook as evenly as this one. Time for the taste test. Alright, we got our official taste tester. The ones... That's the real official taste tester. Yep. The one on the left, a little... Or your right, the little more crispy, is the old air fryer, the black one. And the other one is the stainless steel one. Alright, so just to recap, the stainless steel one is just better overall. Looks better, does a much more even job of cooking, and holds quite a bit more food for basically the same footprint. We're going to keep both though. The smaller round one is going in our RV. Alright, so we've got some food to enjoy. Until next time, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for lots more videos coming your way. Thanks. Bye.